Hello everyone. Welcome to another unboxing and reviewing on Jerry's View. Today, we're going to review the RioRand Multifunction Starter Kit with built-in survival hammer, blade, LED torch flashlight, and 150 psi air compressor tire pump. Sold by Best Choices on Amazon.ca. Let's get started. Here is how you charge the unit or the battery pack. First, you need the charger, which is supplied on the kit. Plug it in to the designated charging port and then plug the adapter or power supply to the power outlet. While charging, the battery indicator will be slowly filled as the charging progresses. As shown on this next clip, the battery indicator is full, indicating that the charging is done. Now let's take a closer look at the multifunction battery pack. This side only shows a logo. Here you can see a grip for better handling, and at the corner, the cutting blade for the seat belt for emergency purposes. On this side, a label that shows the capacity of the battery pack and the power output it's capable to give. Let me try and zoom in to show the details. On this side, the LED flashlight with 3 modes and a blue and red light beside it. And on the other end, a metal hammer breaker tip, again for emergency purposes only. Now for the main side. This is the main power port. This is where the jump starter and the air pump is plugged in. The on and off or power switch, charging port, 2 USB port for device charging, voltage selecting button and light switch, power pack battery indicator, power output for other devices, and voltage indicator 12 volts, 16 volts, and 18 volts. Let's start the test. I'm turning on the battery pack, and here you can see the power pack indicator showing how much power is available, which is divided to 4 light indicators. Now let's try the voltage selector. Here you can see that every press changes the voltage that will be supplied. This button will also turn on the LED flashlight by pressing and hold. Pressing and hold will also turn it off. When the light is on, you can quick press the button to change mode until it turns off. Now let's try charging some devices. Using the USB port, I set the voltage to 12 volts and use a micro USB cable for this Note 4. Here you can see the power pack is able to charge it. The power pack is also able to charge a Galaxy Tab 4. Here is a Tab Pro, which is picky on chargers because of its demand on high amperage chargers. You can see that it's able to charge the unit. Now let's try the air pump. The air pump needs to be plugged in the main power port. The plug is not reversible, so no error can be made. It's quite loud, but who cares when you have a flat tire? Now the other device power output. I did not test this function because the unit did not indicate what polarity it has. Plugging 18 volts to a laptop with wrong polarity or to a lithium-ion battery is not advisable. Now let's look at the jumper cable or the jump starter. As you can see, it is also plugged into the main power output. Please do not do this at home. I will show you how much current is flowing in the cable. The spark clearly shows it. We were not able to show the Jumpstart Test because it was done on a controlled environment. We were able to start a small vehicle. So what do I think about this kit? I was able to charge the Note 4 from 15% to full charge and the Galaxy Tab Pro from 4% to 42% for the whole capacity of the power pack. The breaker and the belt cutter is a good addition to the pack, and I hope that it performs when it needed. The LED flashlight is not the brightest, but at least there is one. I was not able to figure out how to turn on the two other lights. We will keep on trying. The air pump should be handy if needed. Now, the dislikes. The other device output should have a switch that could switch the polarity to be used to any device. Also, I wish they have indicated the polarity in the device. I am not expecting too much if you use this on large devices like laptops, because it only charged a phone and half of the tablet with its full capacity. The kit is versatile enough that the power pack can be included on a person's daily life. I would recommend this product, but with a caution, because the performance and the written capability were two different things. But once again, if you want the best, be ready to spend $400 or more. Hope this review helps. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like, and see you again.